Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the cheapie break. It's 5:57 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 3 times. Nice and quick. 1, 2, and 3. Oops. There we go. And teams now, we're going 8 times. Not as quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Random is complete. And the teams are Benji Spurs, Vincent Pelicans, Josh Mavericks, Albie Celtics, Kerry Pistons, Albie Wizards, David Blazers, Hayden Clippers, Palmisano Rockets, Sash Cavs, Thorpe Jazz, Francis Sixers, Scott Green Bucks, Boverd Magic, Vorsa Suns, Hayden Thomas Warriors, Jeff Hughes Nuggets, Brody Knicks, Thomas Oliver Heat, Mr. Tarleton Grizz, George with the Kings, Martin Taylor Pacers, Nick Powell Hawks, Josh with the Raptors, McCubbin Wolves, Johnny Deegan Nets, Tucky with the Bulls, Jeff Hughes Thunder, Jacob with the Lakers, and Raymond with the Hornets. And that is the team list.